I am Dr. T. Srilata, Assistant Professor of Botany, Pingil Government Degree College for Women, Vaddapelli, Warangal. So today we discuss about yeast fungi. So we know the yeast cell. So yeast cell it is involved in fermentation in the manufacture of fast food such as bread, beer, wines, vinegar, cheese, so cakes, etc. And the yeast are grown in the enzyme and food, so they forming sugar into alcohol, carbohydrates. So so coming to the morphological structure of yeast. So it is one single cell structure, and it is in round shape structure or oval shape structure, and the protoplasm is surrounded by the cell membrane. So the cell usually the cell contains ribosomes, mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, nucleus, and one single cell of vacuole, and large nucleus are present in the yeast cell. Coming to the reproduction of the yeast cell. So here two types of the reproduction takes place here. One is budding, another one is fission. So coming to the budding, so here the yeast cell produces complete formation of the food is available. So here two types of reproduction takes place here. The food is available, the yeast cell undergoes to budding. So the food is not available, the yeast cell undergoes to fission. So the food is available, more available, the yeast cell undergoes to budding. So here it is round shape, it is in round shape structure, and it has one nucleus, and the round single cell produces one bud like structure, one round shape bud like structure at the top of the body, that is called bud, and one nucleus enter into the bud, and cytoplasm and another parts are enter into the bud, and complete formation of this bud separated from the cell, and they forms new yeast cells. So next, coming to the sexual reproduction of the yeast cell. So here sexual reproduction, here there is no antheridium and ascogonium. Here the cell nucleus are fusions with each other. The cell nucleus are fusions with each other, and they forms diploid nucleus. So this is the process of the sexual reproduction. And so here the sexual reproduction takes place by three types. One is haplodiploid life cycle, and haplobiotic life cycle, and diplobiotic life cycle. So here the yeast cell comes together. yeast cell comes together and attached with each other, and so then when they attached with each other, the cell wall ruptures, and each nucleus, one nucleus enter into the another cell, and the both nucleus fusions with each other and they forms diploid nucleus. Diploid nucleus, and that diploid nucleus and the outer layer, surrounding outer layer, they develops into more layers, and they forms one round shape structure that is called ascus. So each ascus having one diploid nucleus, each ascus having one diploid nucleus. So here this is the clear picture here. The cells are attached with each other, and they form one conjugation tube, and the cells are fusions with the nucleus are fusions with each other, and they forms diploid nucleus, and outer layer they forms thick layer that is called ascus, and that diploid nucleus undergoes to meiosis division. The diploid nucleus undergoes to meiosis division, and this meiosis division, and it is divided into mitotic division, and it is divided into 8 nucleus. First, the diploid nucleus undergoes to meiosis division, and it is divided into 4 haploid nucleus, and then 4 haploid nucleus again undergoes to mitotic division, and it is divided into 4 to 8 cells. So that 8 cells are changed into ascospores. The 8 cells are changed into ascospores. So the ascospores are covered by the ascus layer. So the ascospores present inside of the ascus. So complete these 8 ascospores are present in the ascus, and complete formation of ascospores. So when the food is available, the ascus outer layer ruptures, and the ascospores enter into the host cell, and they forms yeast thallus. So very important role in the in our daily life, yeast. So very useful into industrial, bake factories, cake factories, alcohol factories, wines, fermentation, for fermentation, molasses, fermented by the yeast, and they produces ethyl alcohol, and so many uses by the yeast. So very important of the yeast cell. So only 2 type of reproduction, budding and fission. Very easy. So there is no antheridium and ascogonium. The 2 cells are comes together, and the nucleus fusions with each other, and they forms diploid nucleus, and that diploid nucleus forms ascus, and ascus undergoes to meiosis division, and it is divided into 4 haploid nucleus, and this haploid nucleus undergoes to mitotic division, and they forms 4 to 8 haploid nucleus, and they change into ascospores, complete formation of ascospores. The ascus layer ruptures, outer layer ruptures, ascospores enter into the yeast cell. It's a very important role in the world. So yeast, very important role in the world. Yeast fermentation are involved in the manufacture of the bread factories, beer factories, wine factories, etc. Thank you.